Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace LCD and touchscreen assembly with the frame on Samsung Galaxy A22 5G mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup. And then insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and then remove 4 screws to take out the camera lens with the frame. Next, undo 12 screws in the mid frame. Next, use a plastic car pry tool to create an opening to separate the mid frame. Be gentle and work around the edges to free the plastic clips. While pulling out the mid frame, be gentle. The button flex cable is attached to the frame. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, unplug the button connector from the logic board to release the mid frame from the body. Next, remove the logic board from the body. First, disconnect the LCD connector, main flex connector and 2 antenna heads from the board. Next, undo the screw and release the front camera adhesive. Next, gently pull out the logic board from the body. Next, take out the earpiece by applying some heat. Next, gently pry and pull out the power and volume button flex cable from the frame. If needed, add some heat to soften the adhesive. Next, take out the speaker cover by undoing 3 screws. Next, take out the main flex from disconnecting the plug. Next, gently pull out the charging port board with 2 antennas from the body. Next, pull out the vibrator motor by applying some heat. Next, remove the battery from the body. First, apply some heat or add isopropyl alcohol to soften the glue on the battery. And then use a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive. Be gentle in this process and pull out the battery using a pry tool. Now, the only remaining part is a broken front screen assembly with the frame. For the replacement, there are 2 different screen types in the market. One is with the frame and the other one is without the frame. It can be original, used, refurbished or aftermarket. Either version you choose, you can get with the frame and without. But the most straightforward repair will be with the frame. I recommend you go with a screen with the frame installed. It can be original, refurbished, used or aftermarket. And this type is commonly available to purchase. Next, on the new screen frame, start placing the removed parts. First, secure the AP speaker. Next, secure the button flex. Next, place and secure the logic board by adding the screw. Next, secure the vibrator motor. Next, secure the charging port board with 2 antennas. Next, secure both antennas in the frame slot. Next, connect both antenna heads to the logic board. Next, place and secure the battery by adding adhesive. Next, secure the LCD plug. Next, place and secure the main flex by connecting from both ends. Next, secure the speaker cover by adding 3 screws. Next, secure the button flex. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, place and secure the mid frame by adding 12 screws. Next, secure the camera lens with the frame by adding 4 screws. Next, turn on the device for testing. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.